Hi guys, so today we're gonna do some mail unboxing. I haven't done it since I want to say November. First one is from our Bralette Club. It's so cute because it's like body positive, size inclusive, comfort for all. And I think that I really liked about this particular site is that the bralettes were worn on models and the models were realistic sized. They're not like super skinny girls that like would look good on everything, so I really like that. Of course I'm gonna show you all my bralettes because I'm super extra girl that shows you everything. Also it's not on me, so like I don't mind. What? Oh my god. Okay, I really love this one already. This is the Dear Daffodil Padded Convertible Bralette in XS and this is $30. This is super freaking cute. I love it. I do like padded bralettes more because I do like to go out in my bralettes and I don't like my nipples to show. This is the bralette. Cute, right? Ooh, this is one in olive. Okay, this one is non-padded. This is the olive branch. Haha, I get it. Bralette in XS. This is $20. This is super cute as well. And I like that the cups are slightly bigger so there's a bit more coverage. And I like this dangly thing at the bottom. And look at the like blushy kind of straps. Oh, hey, I'm enjoying everything so far. This is the Getaway Bralette in pink XS. This is $18.80. This is a little bit more simple. The straps are actually sturdier and it looks like this. It's like scallop print. This is the one that I was like really excited about. This is the Wild Things Bralette in Jade XS. This is only 20 bucks. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it. It's like a high neck kind of bralette top. And dude, you could just wear this as an inner slip for like anything. I really love this color. This is so freaking cute. And this paneling, oh gosh, I would love to go to sleep in this. This is sweatpants. Oh my god. This is the Pick Me Up padding guide. So there are a bunch of pads here and they teach you how to put in pads, I guess. Dude, the packaging is so freaking adorable. I love it. Thank you, Bralette Club. I appreciate it very much. I love it. Can't wait to wear it. Alright, next one is from Eucerin. Oh gosh, I had this like many moons ago. This is the Hyaluron Filler Assortment Overview and Treatment Regimen. Ta-da! Oh shit! We're doing that now, are we? Okay. This is, I'm guessing, the Hyaluron Filler Overnight Treatment. This is the new thing. Probably like a day moisturizer, and then this is probably night moisturizer. And what are these little things here? Concentrates. This looks very medical, so I'm gonna like look at the brochure properly and then I'm gonna try and use it. Alright, the next one, I have not opened this yet, so I am going to slice this out in the open. I'm trying not to use my fingers now because I'm trying to grow my nails out so that I don't have to pay $80 more for nice nails. What do we have here? A bunch of skincare stuff. Wait. Let me try and open it. Alright, okay. First things first, I'm the realist. Okay, such a lame old song. Should I just sit down? Okay, great. Why did I not do this earlier? This is the Centella Green Level Buffet Serum from PURITO. Centella is just a really great calming ingredient. Oh my gosh! This is a Pony Effect Galaxy Lip Gloss. I have not tried Pony Effect before. Wow! Hey, this would actually go really great with my eye look right now. Should I just apply it? Should I just apply it for lols? Wait. Check out that bond. First of all, I like that it's plastic and it's not that like weird tentacly, you know what I'm talking about, that lip gloss applicator, because I think that is really unhygienic, especially if you don't throw it out after like 6-12 months. We have a matte fit lipstick. Am I overpronouncing my words? I'm like matte fit lipstick. Color 04. Matte fit lipstick. Okay, let's see. Ooh, reminds me of like the NARS packaging. It is very light though. Oh shit, but this is a great color. This is cute. Wow, hey, I like it. I like it. I will wear it. COSRX? I haven't had COSRX in a while. This is the Light Fit Real Water Toner to Cream. I feel like COSRX was a very like 2017 to 2016 thing. I haven't heard much about it ever since. I still use some of the products, to be honest, and I still like them. Ooh, and this is the Midnight Blue Calming Sheet Mask. I'm still loving that Midnight Blue Calming Cream. It's so small, it's so little. I'm trying to be as sparing as I can, but I love it. Like, I feel like it really does help with hyperpigmentation a lot, so I'm very excited about this sheet mask. Yes! Okay, so that's it. Great. Okay, moving on. Yeah, this I should have just sat down. This is the Blingdear K-Beauty box. I might do like a separate video on this because this is new. Wow, 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 wow. Beauty of Joseon. This is the Apricot Blossom Peeling Gel. And this is the Silky Moist Cleansing Foam. Yo, I love peeling gels, very excited. Let's see, what else we got? This is the Calm Leaf. Ew, it's a little bit leaking. This is the Rose Moisture Pad. Very moist indeed. Has propolis extract and Rosa Damascena flower water. This is the Beauty of Joseon Radiance Cleansing Balm. Great, 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 great. I'm like getting excited. I'm like standing up. This is the Vegan Glow Good Night Cream. So I'm guessing it is probably a moisturizer. So minimal. They're really going for that minimal look. I like it. Okay. I mean, I can't do much else when I'm unboxing than just, you know, say very surface level things. This is the Calm Leaf Rose Sleeping Mask. It's similar to the Rose Moisture Pad. This is, oh my gosh! Look at the colors! Wow. You know it looks like strawberry jam? And then there are little like strawberry bits. Thank you so much, Blingdear. I think I'll probably do a separate video on this because all of these brands are very new and very interesting. Alright, speaking of companies that were really popular in 2016 and 17 and just kind of disappeared in 18, like no one was really talking about them. What happened to The Ordinary? I just feel like I don't hear much about it anymore, even the newer stuff. I got myself a bunch of new Ordinary stuff. This is the Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Lotion. I actually got this in New York. I wasn't like a big fan of it when I was using it, but I don't think I was using it enough to know if I really like it or not because the acid word inside just made me like really scared. This is new. I haven't tried this before. This is called the Marine Hyaluronics. This is an ultra lightweight hydration support with marine-derived vegan water reserves. It's very watery, very light. It's a clear kind of color. Ooh, this is the cold pressed rosehip seed oil. Y'all know what it looks like. I'm not gonna open it. This is the AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution. This is one of their old favorites. A lot of people like it, but I've never tried like any peeling solutions before. So I wanted to try it. It is this like beet kind of color. And this is the Buffet plus Copper Peptides 1%. I really loved the Buffet when I was first trying it, but the Buffet right now looks really different because it has 1% Copper Peptides and it's different and I want to see what the difference is. And finally, this is my favorite. Wait, this is... Okay, this looks actually darker than my one. This looks so dark. Of course, I am the one that screws up and orders the wrong thing. This is 2.1 and this is 2.0. As you can tell, I'm almost done with 2.0. I love it dearly. Pretty much the only foundation that I wore for the majority of last year. I have a shit ton of foundations. I never use any single one except for this one. I'm wearing the Innisfree one mixed in with something else. EX1 Cosmetics. As you can see, the shade selection is a little bit of a jump. If I ever get more tan, I will be using this. So yeah, that is from The Ordinary. Okay, this one here you guys might be pretty excited by. It's another Korean company. It's pyunkang. This is the Moisture Ampule. This is the Essence Toner, so this is a little bit smaller. Accidentally put it in my carry-on, got confiscated by airport security, and I was like, girl, just keep it, like, it's fine. Because she was like, we can mail it back, but it'll be like 20 bucks. And I was like, never mind. Because I would be gone for like 6 months, right? And I was like, I don't want it to like grow old and sit in a bag and like, you know, I'll just buy it when I need it again. So, and she was gonna throw it away and I was like, girl, just keep it, use it. And she was like, I can't. I think she really wanted to, but it was like against protocol because she knows it was sealed, and obviously I'm not carrying like bomb fluids with me. So this is the Essence toner, and that's a really fun little story. This is the moisture cream. They're all sealed, so I'm not gonna open them lah. This is the acne spot cream, so of course I'm gonna open it. Don't know why I'm so excited about spot cream. This is a bath bomb, and then I have 3 of the acne dressing mask pack, so just sheet masks for acne, I guess. Oh, okay, great. This is from Innisfree, and this came on my birthday. I specifically remember this because I was like, oh my god, it feels like my birthday. Oh wait, it is. Right here, we have the Toy Story collection, which is crazy cute. Buzz Lightyear. I really like the Buzz Lightyear one. And then we also have a set of perfumed body miniature sets. Ooh. So there's a green tangerine body cleanser and body lotion, and then also water lily cleanser and lotion. So great travel packs. Right here we also have, oh my god, the claw. This is the hand cream set. So you get guest house laundry, that sounds nice, peach and pink coral, and these are the no sebum mineral powders. I'm so glad that they came out with more of these. I'm so glad they sent me 3. I know it's very excessive. I'm almost like, oh my god, you don't have to do it. But thank you. I use my OG no sebum mineral powder every single day. I use that over all of my other powders. That's how much I love it. It's so light, it's so sheer. It really does a good job of mattifying your skin without looking too cakey. It's just the best. So, oh my god, Buzz Lightyear. They're all super freaking cute and like cute colors as well. So really like them. But hey, let me show you what's in these sets because I really like the tin boxes. Ooh, you got stickers. So this is the green tea seed serum, and this is the green tea seed cream. Let's see what's in the other one. Look at Woody's face. Oh my god. Even the graphics on these are like super cute. I'm not like a cutesy person, if you can tell. I'm not into Disney. I'm not into like anything else, but this made me smile. Oh my god, I love it. I'm guessing like these are great for decorating the tins, but oh my gosh, I feel like I would like this set more than I would like this. If there's anyone that hasn't tried the green tea seed set yet, then that's probably a good option. But if you have, like, this is such a great one because you get the no sebum mineral powder. What is this? Oh my gosh, it doesn't say. Oh my god, I'm gonna open it. Oh, okay, there are 2. Alright. This is the Jeju Volcanic Color Clay in Seeker and in Brightening. It's in this little packaging. Okay. And then you also get this, which is the 2 times volcanic clay dew. I can just recognize it from the cap because I love it so much. Yeah, this is the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask in 2X. I love it so much. I'm using it regularly. Is that it? Is that all we have for today? Yes. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you like them. I always get so excited opening my mail, and it's always fun for me to share with you guys what I'm gonna get, what I'm gonna be reviewing. It's almost like a sneak peek into what's coming. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like it, like it. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya!